What is up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. Right now I am heading out to La Cañada, where they're holding the Daikoku night over there. It's essentially kind of remake of the Daikoku nights over in Japan, over here in Southern California. But we're gonna head out, catch some cool cars, see who shows up and see what shows up, and hopefully have a good turnout, have some fun, get some good footage for you guys. And also, most importantly, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment on this video. Let me know how you guys like the content so far, and if there's anything that you guys want to see. All right, I just made it over to the Daikoku nights here in La Cañada. Everybody's getting lined up. A lot of great cars showing up. I got my family wagon in the back, and would you look at this beauty right in front of me. Would anybody be able to guess what the horsepower is on this car? If you know what the horsepower is, leave it in the comments.
Take it easy.
You want to tell us how much horsepower you got on the hood?
800.
Bullshit.
Who's asking?
Alright, if you guys guess what the exact horsepower is on this car right here, I'll give you guys a shirt or a sticker or something. I personally think that these Infinitis were one of the greatest times that Infiniti made cars, period. The VQ engines on these cars, yeah, they didn't produce a lot of power, but at the same time, they were one of the greatest looking cars on the road back then. Get back to your roots. Showing up in style. What you smelling about?
Oh, that guy. Oh, solid. You're just recording my belly?
Beautiful setup. I don't know about the wheels, but beautiful setup. Now this is what I want to be seen in. Hey, you wanna tip the scales real quick?
Yeah, you want to sit in?
No, I'm good. Hey,
well, welcome, dude. Thank you. Well, honestly, you can park next to that pillar. I don't think it's gonna take any room, bro.
Look at this Tesla screen right here. Now this is the exact reason why Daikoku
Bang bus.
Exist. Now this is the type of shit you see in Japan.
Here? Yeah. Where's Chris? Chris, you want to move here?
Alright, as the event gets more packed, a lot more cars are showing up. Got GR Corolla pulling in, a lot of 240 SXs, S15 Silvias. I saw another R34. About an R8 pulling in right now. Finding Nick, I'm assuming. Now these little things are fun to drive. Hey Joe, where's yours?
Body shop.
Why is it at a body shop?
Oh, you didn't see my story?
No.
Interesting.
Okay.
It's very little.
Alright.
I've been driving a Camry hybrid for the last 2 weeks.
So you're telling me you stopped driving that to drive a Camry?
I can't do it daily.
Oh.
AC is like somebody's just doing. That's it.
Alright, look at this bad boy right here. This is the R34 lineup. Jesus. This thing is badass. From all, you got a white one, you got the blue one, got another white one, jade green back there. That jade green back there is beautiful. Oh. 340i, RIP M3. Gotcha. RWB back there, the Porsche. Pterodactyl on YouTube. Mark. Woo! Look at this bad boy. Oh, this is a Porsche right here. John! Now, if you guys don't know, John was in the Cars and Chatter podcast. I'll link the video in the description as well. You guys can check it out. E92. There's a lot of cars to walk around in Capitol, so take our time slowly and walk around and get some of these cars here. JDM cars. It's a really nice turnout. Got a lot of great cars. Pick-a-to-key cars here as well with this RWB Porsche. A lot of nice R34s, R32, S15 Silvias. Got a mixture of cars in the background as well. Got J92s, C63 Porsche M1 showed up as well. Supra R8 Finding Nick. That wide body Supra is nice. A couple of McLarens over here.
Yeah, but no, they used to
Look at this Firebird right here. This is a beauty. Hey John,
I think you know, I drove one. They're too slow and they handle like shit. They look good. They look good parked, but I have too many cars already. I would get like a 65 fastback. Yeah, but I drove it. It was like the steering's so loose and it wasn't my thing. I really looked into buying one and it just wasn't. I love the way they look, but they really no.
This is how you show up to a car meet. Check this out. Out of all these cars, what are you going with?
I could be a complete fanboy and say a 34, but I have a soft spot for S15 Sylvia.
I think I would be curious myself to see what you would do personally with an S15.
RB25 Neo.
Okay.
Transmission.
Okay.
Rear end.
Okay.
Full suspension.
Okay.
And just drive the shit out of it.
You would actually drive the shit out.
Oh, absolutely.
Okay.
Cars are meant to be driven. They're not meant to be garaged and pampered, and you know, it's one of those things where it's like the one day that you decide to take it out, like, since you've been garaging it, you're babying it, and God forbid somebody sideswipes you and the car's gone.
Oh wait, guys, you guys want to see my car? It's parked right here. Greatest parking spot.
I love the new wrap.
I know too. Me too. But
Yeah,
in all seriousness,
it's one of those things where it's like, if you baby a car too much, and then one day, God forbid, something happens and it's gone, you're gonna regret not enjoying it. Yeah. A car's meant to be driven. It's meant to have fun. If you own one, yeah, it's an investment, but it's one of those things where you're also, you know, you have to enjoy your investment. You know, you put all that money and heart, blood and sweat and tears into it. You know, so might as well enjoy it. You know. So.
Yeah. I agree with you 100%.
See, but the thing is, everybody would go for the 34. It's a given. It's like the holy grail.
Of course.
But from what I've heard, the 33 is a better car.
Okay.
All around. And stock, if you ever drive a stock GTR, I think is just gonna ruin it for you. You have to completely modify the shit out of a RB26 to be able to have an extremely fast and fun car, you know? But who knows? What do I know? I drive a little tiny van that maybe on a good cool day it's about 52 horsepower. On a really hot day, God knows, with my fat ass in it.
Can you imagine both of us sitting in that car?
Oh, we have.
We
Remember?
have? Oh yeah, we
Remember?
did. We did.
The whole front end was just, the whole car was just raked.
It was on bags. You didn't need to buy bags anymore.
I know. That was funny. One hard brake and we would have flipped over.
Definitely. No, this is I think Finding Nick. Sorry if I'm not mistaken. Great color choice.
Very good. Very beautiful.
Yeah.
It suits the car really well.
It does.
The wheels, the silver wheels, the small touches of carbon. It's nice.
Yeah. You miss your Corolla?
Yeah. You know what? I've been itching for this Venturi intake. But I can't.
How much are those inventories?
I think for the GR Corolla, you're looking at about almost like $1,500. It's you know, it's a beautiful carbon intake. It makes great noises, but it's just $1,500 and you don't get to see it. It's hiding.
Now let me ask you a question. Is it looks or is it actual power?
They claim it gives about 15, but I mean, it's really hard to tell with an intake to get 15 horsepower.
Of course. I mean, back in the old days when the VQ engines were out, everybody was like getting the engine and the Stillen intakes that were claiming anywhere from 15 to 25 horsepower.
On an NA car,
I would say maybe 6, 7 horsepower.
At best, and then by the time it gets to the wheels, maybe 3.
Yeah.
Not noticeable. A lot of noise. The butt dyno actually would make you think it's a whole lot more power, but I think it was just mostly for the noise. Really nice. But the 15, Sylvia 15 over there,
there's a bunch of them over there.
There's a bunch of it. All of them.
Are you drooling right now?
I am. I have like the reason I'm drooling is I had a chance to buy one for about, that was registered as a 94 240, but my dumbass didn't pull the trigger. But it is what it is.
No,
One day.
I think I personally, if I were to I think personally, if I were to be realistic from all these cars right here, if I were to choose a car to be on the channel, it'll have to be with number 1, G80 M3.
That's good choice.
E92 M3.
Good choice. Good choice. I like that.
Actually, that would be number 3. Sorry, number two would actually probably be an R8.
I think it would. I would go with the R8 and G80, and then your third choice was
E92.
E92. E92s are great, but I would rock the crap out of them with my ISF. My full
Of course.
ISF.
Stock.
No, like toe to toe, like same.
Full bolt on?
Full bolt on. Full bolt on.
I do miss your ISF.
I do. That was one of the only cars I've regretted ever getting rid of. Till this day, I have full regret of getting rid of that car. It's just stupid me.
It's okay.
You live and learn.
Absolutely. Now, realistically speaking, I feel like I'm in Japan right now with all these cars showing up. Japanese and German car culture. We even got American cars over here. Some Corvettes back over here, some over back here, Mustangs. It's a great turnout. That Liberty Walk kit looks beautiful on this thing. Fair Lady Z showing up. Yeah, give it a little love tap, bro. RS3. Beautiful weather. Clean. Very, very clean. P3. As night is coming to an end, a lot of the cars have left. Some cars are still showing up. We're gonna call it a night shortly, but couldn't miss this beauty right here. It was great seeing a lot of the cars out here tonight and getting to catch up with some of the people that I hadn't seen in a long time. God damn, that's loud. Anyways, we're gonna head out right now, but it was great to be out here and seeing all the cars again. And hopefully we'll be out here next month with my car. We'll be able to showcase it, show it to you guys as well. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel as well. See you guys on the next one.